that is the most favorite soup among Filipinos, which is the Sinigang na Bangus. Now for our ingredients, we have water, kangkong, bell pepper, tomato, eggplant, sitaw or snake beans, and our seasoning, we have the Nor Sinigang Sampalok original and the black pepper, and lastly our fresh bangus. Okay, first we have to prepare the fire and the kalan or anything that you may use in your house. So first I will add the water, the 2 bowls of water, and let it boil. Okay, so our water is already boiling. Next is we will add the sitaw, together with the eggplant, and we will wait for a few minutes before we will add the bangus. Okay, so after we will add the milkfish, the bangus. Now, after a few minutes, we will add the tomato, the bell pepper, and the kangkong itself. And we will cook it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now after which we will add the seasoning which is the Nor Sinigang mix. Okay. Okay, so we will add the black pepper, we'll leave this for a while. Now for more seasonings, we will add a few salt, that's it. Now it is cooked and we have the sinigang na bangus already. So we'll turn off the fire. So we will now serve to the bowl. And now we have the sinigang na bangus and it is ready to eat. Let's eat.